If you've ever dealt with stubborn swelling, frequent or painful urination, or just a general sluggishness that seems to cling to you, this video is for you. We're about to demystify dampness in TCM and reveal the incredible power of 5 essential diuretic herbs that can bring true relief. Get ready to understand your body better and discover natural solutions for urinary comfort. Before we meet our hero herbs, let's understand their adversary, dampness. In traditional Chinese medicine, dampness is one of the 6 pernicious environmental factors that can wreak havoc on your health. Think of it like a heavy, sticky fog that settles in your body. It's often associated with late summer's wet, humid weather, but it can also arise from within your body if your spleen, a vital organ in TCM responsible for fluid metabolism, isn't functioning optimally. When your spleen is distressed, fluids and metabolic waste can't be properly dispersed, leading to accumulation. Now, where does this dampness manifest? If it accumulates in the middle jiao, your stomach and intestinal areas, you might experience constant thirst, lassitude, stomach fullness, poor appetite, or digestive issues like vomiting and diarrhea with sticky stools. But for our focus today, let's talk about the lower jiao, that's your urinary bladder area. When dampness settles here, it can cause a cascade of uncomfortable symptoms. Difficulty urinating, scanty or dark urine, constant dribbling, painful urination, what TCM calls strangury, discharge, leg swelling, and general edema. In severe cases, it can even affect your gallbladder. And here's a key insight. Many urinary tract infections are seen in TCM as a result of damp heat invading this lower region. The beauty of herbal diuretics is that they work to eliminate this dampness, much like modern diuretics help you shed excess fluid. But TCM takes it a step further. It emphasizes combining these diuretic herbs with supporting herbs tailored to the root cause of your swelling. For instance, if your edema is heart-related, cardiac tonic herbs might be added. For liver-related swelling, liver-protecting herbs are used. And for spleen-related fluid retention, spleen-tonifying herbs are essential. This holistic approach ensures comprehensive healing. Broadly, TCM uses 2 main groups of diuretic herbs for urinary tract issues. 1 herbs that eliminate internal dampness and relieve edema. These work by invigorating fluid metabolism and easing painful urination. Think of them as gentle but firm guides for water out of your body. 2 herbs that eliminate internal damp heat and relieve Lynn's syndrome, strangury. This group is crucial for treating urinary tract infections, turbid urine, and even helping to dissolve kidney stones, along with jaundice and leukorrhea. Remember, swelling and fluid retention are often linked to underlying conditions of the heart, kidneys, liver, or endocrine system. These herbal diuretics can be valuable complements in treating these complex ailments, even helping with pregnancy-related swelling or speeding up the elimination of metabolic toxins. Now let's meet the stars of our show, 5 remarkable herbs that offer potent solutions for urinary tract disorders and dampness elimination. Alisma Zy. First up is Alisma, also known as water plantain tuber. This herb thrives in the ditches and ponds of China's Fujian and Sichuan provinces. Traditionally, it's been an excellent diuretic for various urological disorders and edema, but modern uses reveal even more. Alisma helps reduce arteriosclerosis, lower high cholesterol, improve fat metabolism in the liver, and even treat fatty liver, acute nephritis, and swelling during pregnancy. It's truly a fat-reducing and anti-aging superstar. In TCM, Alisma tastes sweet and is cold in nature, acting specifically on your kidney and urinary bladder meridians. This makes it ideal for clearing heat and promoting urination. Its primary effect is to induce diuresis. For issues like dysuria, scanty or turbid urine, edema, and excessive vaginal discharge, Alisma is often prescribed with herbs like Poria and Polyporus in formulas like Wu Ling San, a classic blend for fluid retention. It's also surprisingly effective for acute diarrhea caused by gastroenteritis when combined with Poria and white atractylodes. For those experiencing vertigo and dizziness due to fluid retention or phlegm, as TCM calls it, alisma, especially with white atractylodes, can bring significant relief. And here's where modern research truly shines a light. Alisma actively reduces blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels, helps with fatty liver, and even works to prevent arteriosclerosis. For pregnancy-related edema, it's often combined with Poria and Morris bark. You'll typically find alisma in a decoction with a dosage of 5 to 10 grams. A quick caution: if you have kidney weakness or seminal emission, use this herb carefully. While generally safe, a few cases of allergic skin rash and digestive discomfort have been reported with long-term use, highlighting the importance of listening to your body. Modern science confirms alisma's power, identifying compounds like tetracyclic triterpenes and sesquiterpenes. Pharmacological studies show it's a strong diuretic, significantly increasing urine volume and sodium excretion. It also powerfully lowers cholesterol levels and has an anti-arteriosclerosis effect. Research even indicates it protects the liver from damage and helps dilate heart arteries, increasing coronary circulation. Clinically, it's been shown to reduce serum triglycerides and cholesterol, while increasing beneficial HDL levels, a true metabolic marvel. Poria, Fu Ling. Next, we turn to Poria, or Holan, a fascinating fungus that grows in the Anhui and Yunnan provinces of China. You might know it as Indian bread in America. Traditionally, Poria was used for digestion, nutrition, diuresis, and calming the nerves, especially in children. Today, it's a go-to diuretic for general dropsy and scanty urination, a sedative for palpitations and insomnia, a stomachic for indigestion, and an anti-inflammatory for ulcers. It's also considered an anti-aging herb. Poria has a sweet taste and is neutral in temperature, acting on the heart, spleen, and kidney meridians. Its neutral nature makes it very versatile. Its primary actions are to invigorate the spleen and replenish the middle jiao, making it excellent for lassitude, poor appetite, and loose stools. It's often found in fundamental formulas like Si Jun Zai Tang, a foundational spleen tonic. Poria also replenishes deficiencies of both the spleen and heart, making it a wonderful remedy for fright, palpitations, and insomnia, often seen in the famous Gui Pai Tang. And of course, it powerfully induces diuresis for dysuria, edema, and phlegm retention due to fluid buildup, frequently combined with alisma and Polyporus in the Wu Ling San formula. Beyond fluid regulation, Poria has tranquilizing and sedative effects, helping to relieve anxiety and promote sleep, often with herbs like polygala root or ziziphus seed. It also aids digestion, helping treat gastric and duodenal ulcers, indigestion, and diarrhea when combined with Codenopsis and white atractylodes. A common dosage for Poria is 10 to 15 grams in a decoction. Exercise caution if you have yin deficiency, frequent urination due to kidney weakness, or issues with seminal emission. Classical texts report no side effects at therapeutic doses. Modern research highlights Poria's rich content of polysaccharides and triterpene acids. Pharmacological studies confirm it's a sedative, a powerful diuretic, and a cardiac tonic. Amazingly, it also demonstrates antitumor properties in mice and has shown significant anti-inflammatory action, inhibiting gastric ulcers and protecting the liver. Poria can even enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. Polyporus, Zhu Ling. Closely related to Poria, we have Polyporus or Zhu Ling. This dried fungus, growing on liquid amber roots, is mainly produced in Hebei, Henan, and Shanxi. Its medicinal virtues are actually considered even stronger than Poria cocos. Polyporus is primarily used to powerfully induce diuresis, excrete dampness, and relieve edema. Polyporus also has a sweet taste and is neutral in temperature, acting specifically on the kidney and urinary bladder meridians. This direct targeting makes it a potent diuretic. Its main effect is to promote diuresis and excrete dampness. For severe dysuria, oliguria, painful urination with turbid urine, and excessive vaginal discharge, Polyporus can be used alone or combined with Poria and Alisma in formulas like Ling San to maximize diuretic effects. It's also effective for acute urinary system infections, often blended with polygonum herb, plantain seed, and akebia. For relieving cold dampness in the abdomen, Polyporus can be combined with philodendron and nutmeg to warm the middle and promote urination or alleviate diarrhea. A typical decoction dosage is 5 to 10 grams. It's important not to use this herb if you don't have fluid accumulation or dampness. Classical Chinese texts report no side effects at therapeutic doses. Modern research shows Polyporus contains ergosterol, protein, biotin, and polysaccharides. Pharmacologically, it's confirmed to be antimicrobial, a strong diuretic increasing urinary output and chloride excretion significantly, and it helps lower blood sugar. Intriguingly, its extract has been found to increase cellular immunity and is being clinically investigated for its antitumor potential, enhancing the body's antibody-forming cells. Rubis Fu Pen Zy. Next, we shift gears slightly to Rubis or raspberry fruit. This dried fruit, shaped like a turned-over bowl, is chiefly grown in eastern China. Traditionally, it was a tonic for vigor, preventing gray hair, and was associated with aphrodisiac properties, used for wasting diseases, diabetes, impotence, and sterility. Today, Rubis is primarily used as an astringent herb to treat polyuria, frequent urination, continuous dribbling, and to reduce the overall secretion of urine, especially in the elderly. Rubis has a sweet and sour taste and is slightly warm in nature, acting on the liver and kidney meridians. Its astringent quality helps hold in fluids. Its main function is to nourish the liver and kidney. For frequent urination, seminal emission, enuresis, bedwetting, and persistent dribbling, Rubis is typically prescribed with herbs like alpinia fruit, mantis egg case, and Cherokee rose hip. It also plays a role in addressing male or female infertility when combined with powerful tonics like pylos, antler powder, and cistanche. For improving visual acuity and treating blurred vision, it's frequently mixed with lycium fruit and processed rehmannia. And for treating impotence, it's often combined with lycium fruit, schisandra fruit, and cuscuta. A small dosage of 3 to 5 grams in a decoction is usually sufficient. Be cautious if you have kidney deficiency with signs of heat. Classical texts report no undesirable side effects at therapeutic doses. Modern research indicates that Rubis contains organic acids, beta-sitosterol, glucose, and vitamin A. Pharmacological findings confirm its astringent properties and its antimicrobial activity against certain bacteria like S. aureus and V. cholerae in lab settings. Plantin Seed, Chi Zy, and Plantin Herb, Chi Cow. Finally, we come to Plantin Seed or Chi Zy and its counterpart, Plantin Herb or Chi Cow. The seed is the dried ripe seed of Plantago asiatica, found all over China, while the herb is the entire dried plant. Traditionally, the seeds were considered quieting, diuretic, antirheumatic, and tonic, even promoting fertility. Today, both the seed and the herb are potent diuretics for strangury and powerful anti-inflammatory agents for urinary tract infections. To induce diuresis and stop diarrhea, the seeds are stir-baked. To resolve phlegm, the unprocessed seeds are used. Both plantain seed and herb have a sweet taste and are cold in nature, acting on the kidney, urinary, and bladder meridians. This cold nature is perfect for clearing heat. Their primary combined effects are to induce diuresis and relieve painful strangury. Plantain seed is often prescribed with akebia, gardenia, and talc in a formula called Bajeng San, a renowned blend for strangury, edema, dysuria, acute nephritis, cystitis, pyelitis, and general urinary tract infections. They also excel at eliminating summer heat and dampness pathogens, making them useful for chronic watery diarrhea in the summer months. Beyond urination, plantain seed uniquely removes dampness and heat from the liver, improving vision acuity. It's used for cataracts, blurred vision, and bloodshot, swollen eyes caused by liver heat. It can also help with dizziness, headaches, and hypertension due to liver heat. Furthermore, plantain seed rids the body of heat and resolves phlegm in the lungs, making it useful for profuse sputum. It's also an antihypertensive herb, particularly effective at lowering diastolic pressure, and can be combined with other herbs like salvia and gentiana root for enhanced results. Interestingly, plantain seed is also used to treat male infertility, often as a component in formulas like Wu Zai Yan Zong Wan. It also brings relief for acute enteritis and prostatitis. The dosage for plantain seed is 5 to 10 grams in a decoction wrapped in gauze, and for the plantain herb, 10 to 15 grams. If you have kidney deficiency, use with caution. Classical Chinese texts report no side effects at therapeutic doses. Modern research shows plantain seed contains mucilage polysaccharides, iridoids, and various organic acids. The herb contains compounds like baicalin and orcubin. Pharmacologically, plantain seed is a diuretic, antitussive, expectorant, and antihypertensive. Plantain herb is confirmed to have diuretic, antimicrobial, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, and antitumor properties. Both are vital in treating renal edema, chronic pyelonephritis, dysuria, and kidney stones. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at 5 powerhouse herbs: Alisma, Poria, Polyporus, Rubis, and Plantin Seed herb. Each one a testament to the sophisticated understanding of fluid balance and urinary health within traditional Chinese medicine. From powerfully expelling dampness and clearing infections to gently addressing incontinence and even supporting metabolic and vision health, these herbs offer a holistic approach to well-being. If this deep dive has resonated with you, if it's sparked a new understanding of your body and potential paths to healing, please hit that like button. Your support empowers us to share more of this vital knowledge. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from these incredible natural solutions. And most importantly, subscribe to join our community as we continue to unlock the profound wisdom of traditional medicine. Thank you for being here, for being open to learning, and for investing in your health journey. Until next time, stay balanced, stay vital, and stay curious.